how to restore deleted or missing desktop folder in Windows 11. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So let's say this is the desktop folder we are talking about. Let's just unpin this from quick access. So let's say this is accidentally deleted or missing from me or the user itself. So you just have to click on the Windows search bar and click on run, and then you just have to type in percent user profile percent and click on OK. And after that, you can see there's the desktop icon here. You can just drag and drop it from here to quick access, or you can just simply right click on it and click on the option pin to quick access, and now you can see the desktop is here stored locally. So you can just refresh it and see the desktop icon is right here. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.